classic Transit Mk5 problem. Off the radio so you can hear it. Squeaky fan. By all accounts. Means the bushes are dry and it's going to seize up. I mean the bearing, not the motor brushes. Seize up and burn everything out, so I'm going to try and get it all off and oil the bearings. First stage, take the cowling off the steering wheel by undoing the 2 screws underneath. The screws undone, take off the plastic cowlings on the top and the one on the bottom. Word of warning, there's a screw in the top. That needs to come undone. Missed that. Take the radio out and connect it. Mine's a bit different, everybody's will be. Work it out. Now the switches. So undo the 2 torque screws. That side comes off. You drop the screw. And undo the same. The 2 on this side. Okay, this side's off. Now I can get at these 2 screws and hopefully that will free this part, which will free that part. I don't know what I'm doing, as you can tell, so it's all find it out as I go along. Right, there are also 2 screws in the top of this binnacle covered you have to take out. Taking those out, apparently this won't come out without taking the steering wheel off, so I shan't bother with that, as I think I just need to get at these screws. I suspect there's one on the bottom. There. And then I'll be laughing. Right, with those 2 screws out, this now comes out. Hooray! Clock's still wired in, so it won't come right. There she goes. So I'll just undo the clock. Find what retains the plug-in, usually put down the side. Right, now this air pipe's got to come out. There's a big plastic one. There is one further in that can't be moved, but this one can be, so I'm going to try and take it out. Right, you pull it towards you with a bend and a twist, and then you can shove it down the bottom, take it out that way. Just remembering that for putting it back, methinks. And there is El Dorado. Not sure it was quite as easy as I thought it was going to be, but still, That'll stop now, eh? There's the motor, there's the fan unit. All we've got to do is work out how to get the damn thing out, or round enough to actually undo the motor. Right, I'm going to ping the clip out on holding the electrical connections into the motor. That's that. Disconnect the wires. Okay, the book says there's a screw to undo. There isn't, there's a tab, and then it twists, the whole motor twists off, as you can see on the top. Can't point it out properly to you. On the top there is not the tab, that's the tab sticking up there, which is actually about 20 passes right down the other side, and you're trying to get it off. So now I've just got to somehow squeeze the whole lot past this air pipe, which is fixed on, and according to the wonderful Transit forum, you can jiggle it past that, so I'm going to give that a go, but I need my hands to do it. I've taken the other one off. Incidentally, if you can see the tape down there, that's over the inlet. When I took that pipe off, I then proceeded first to drop a screwdriver and then a torch down the hole, and it goes inside the heater matrix. You need somebody with little hands to fish them out, so be warned, tape it over. Whew. Okay, it's out. The instructions say just move that piece out of the way because it's fastened on. You can't unattach it, it's fastened at the top. When they say just move it, they mean demonstrate extreme violence towards it. Bend it downwards and away from you. You have to detach the bottom end off there. You can't leave it in place as it's too rigid. And then push it down and hike the motor up and towards you, and you can just bend it round. So finally, ta-da, the motor. That's the tab that you wanted. That piece there that's snapped off, which I don't think does anything, would probably help some robot assemble it, is not. And now apparently I have to undo those push-in tabs on the side there and there. So I'm going to take that inside, have a look at that and see if we can take it to pieces. Lubricate the bearings a bit, it doesn't move very freely, so see if we can improve that. So need somebody else photographing you for these, don't we? So the motor, and apparently if I push down on that one, it comes out, and join it with that one, so that that one comes out, the whole kit and caboodle. Oh, because there's one there. That's it, just squish in. It's spring loaded. There it is. There is the assembly. The bushes look okay, which is one thing I thought might be worn out. Looks alright. So finally on my 180,000 mile Transit. The only problem is a squeaky fan, and after the repair job, oh, shut up, we have no more squeaks. Silent as the grave, just like a diesel engine. Good luck.